Ever wonder why your savings never seem to grow despite your best intentions? I used to deal with that exact problem. I'd tell myself I'd invest whatever was left over at the end of the month, but surprise, there was never anything left. That changed the second I automated my deposits. Setting up a recurring deposit on Wealthsimple is the single best way to pay yourself first because it removes the decision-making process entirely. Here is exactly how I set mine up to keep my portfolio growing on autopilot. First, open your app and tap the Move tab. It's the one with the 2 arrows at the bottom. From there, select Move Money and then Deposit. Now, this is where the strategy comes in. You'll choose the account you want to fund, like your TFSA or FHSA, and then select your linked bank account as the source. Instead of just hitting Submit for a one-time transfer, look for the frequency option. It usually defaults to one time, but you want to change that. I personally sync mine with my bi-weekly paycheck. You can choose weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. By selecting the day after your pay hits your bank account, the money is gone and invested before you even have a chance to spend it. If you're using Wealthsimple Managed Investing, they'll automatically buy a diversified mix of ETFs for you. But if you're using a self-directed account, there's an extra step I highly recommend. Go to the Automation section under the Move tab and set up a recurring buy. This doesn't just move the cash, it actually purchases your specific stocks or ETFs, like VFV or XEQT, at the same time, so your cash never sits idle. The best part? You can start with as little as $1. If you ever have a tight month, you can go into your Activity tab, hit Scheduled, and pause or edit the amount in about 10 seconds. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.